We're going for our last jump.
Going for the last jump at Paulie's.
Yep.
Pizza, beds, and Paulie's, right?
You see it?
Do you see it? Do you think his car is there? Do you think this guy's turning here?
Thank
No,
you.
I'll show you. You think Paulie's there?
Yeah.
There he is. Oh, he's waiting for us.
I'm having fun with my dinosaur.
You're gonna get him with your dinosaurs?
It's time. You've got to take a picture of me.
I will. I can't get you right now, honey.
No choo-choos yet, Joe?
Where you going, Johnny?
Dinosaurs.
That's your dinosaurs? T-minus one.
What's up, bro?
Hi, Joe.
Get those guys. Help me, help! Get that buddy. What's up, Big Joe? Wow. Oh my goodness. I just had a huge pizza.
Did you really? Did you really? Oh, from Homer, didn't you?
Huge one.
Ah!
Went to home run
What's
in.
cooking? Ow! Ow!
Joe, let's get your shoes off.
Oh,
How are you, Paul?
what's up?
Hey, Paul.
What's up?
How are you, sir?
Oh.
What's
What's up? Okay, hold on. Wait, Uncle Paul's got to grab this for 1 second. This is important.
Polly, I got something to give you.
Wow.
Look, I got my shirt.
Water,
Critter shirt.
critters,
Shirt.
Myrtle Beach.
No!
So it says on the bottom.
Ow! Oh.
What you doing, Joe? You jumping on the beds?
Ow! 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 Now I'm gonna step on your toe.
Johnny, show me how you jump on the beds.
Come on, you gotta do some jumping.
Put your dinosaurs down.
Put your guys.
Yeehaw! Can I take a look? Can I take a look? Can I take a look?
Late.
Oh, you bet.
Oh my goodness, I just got off the phone with Buzz.
Did you really? How's he doing?
What?
How's he doing?
I don't know, I talked to him for about 2 minutes.
Oh, really?
Uh-oh, ready? Look at this.
Come on. Johnny, show me. Johnny, could you jump on the bed so I can... Could you jump for me so I can... Jump for me.
Oh, maybe. Oh, no. I'll jump one of those frames just made snap. No. Then I have
Careful, John. I don't want you to hurt yourself.
Unbolt the headboard, take the frame off, and put a new one on. Uh-oh, there's Joe. Go, Joe. He's on my hand. He's stuck. He won't come off. He's turning into the creature of the Black Liquor.
Paulie's last day tomorrow.
Last day, folks.
How you feeling?
See you, Mattress World. No more good afternoon, Mattress World. Ow! Ow!
Wave bye-bye. Wave bye-bye.
Uh-oh.
Bye-bye.
It's your Mattress World.
Get him, Joe.
Oh, not here, Bill. No, because those are really... Oh, yeah, they would break. They would. They're really like... cheap and nap.
Get him, Phil. Where'd John go?
There you go. Go get him, John.
You can't get me.
Get him. Get him, John.
Go get him, Johnny.
Get him. Get him.
Someday, Paul, we will not believe our eyes when we're looking at this. Go get him, Jewel. Run all the way down. And here comes Julie. No, on the beds, Jewel. On the beds, Jewel. Julie, on the beds. Come down here and run and jump on Daddy. Stay there, Phil. Johnny, come down here and run all the way and jump on Daddy. Ready? On your mark. This is the jumping contest. On your mark. Get set. Go. Go get him. Did he get you, Dad? How's Dad doing, John? How we doing, Dad? Oh. Get the knee. Let's get the knee, the hip, the head. Joey's going to get you. Hey, there's a dinosaur eating me. There's a little dinosaur. What does the dinosaur say? What does the dinosaur say, Joe? Joey, go get Polly with your dinosaur. Joey, go get Polly with your dinosaur.
Did you see that?
So put the pizza top down so I can see Joe. Yeah, it's good. Thank you.
Uh-oh.
I really did hurt my hip.
You all right? You slammed into it?
Wait a second.
Oh, really? Because of your knee, you think? Because of your knee?
They're getting a
What,
tap.
Joe? What do you need? Milk? Your milk's on the table over there.
No.
Go get it. Go get it.
One more. Last one.
Oh. Hi, Joe. Where's the birds?
Where's John? John, I want to see you do every bed in the
Go
store.
get those birds.
Every bed in the store. Go, Johnny, go! Woo! Go! Go!
Those birds, Joe.
Here he goes. Look at John.
No way. Oh, give me some birds, Joe. Give me some birds. Yay! Thank you.
Go, Johnny, go!
Yay! Thank you for the birds.
Right into my shin. Bone on bone, man.
You got birds. Thank you for the birds.
Come on, don't do that.
The University of Sleep.
Did Bev Kins call you? Mark Marigold's sister?
Yes.
Came in about that.
She did, yeah. She called
did.
us to get your number in there.
Mm-hmm.
So I said, you better go this week. This
Very nice.
He's out of business.
Very nice. I appreciate it. I think I told Philip to tell you.
Tony, take
Didn't I
a smaller
tell-
one, honey.
Here.
So you don't want.
I'll get the sausage
Did
out.
she
Oh,
have
didn't
two
I tell
already?
you to tell Jane thank
She
you?
have two? Two should be enough, honey.
Huh?
Ow!
Cause that's.
Are you gonna jump on
Friday on the 29th.
Get over to jump
The king of mattresses is gonna show us the
Show it's really hot.
art. Whoa, you okay?
Uh-oh. This one goes here.
Paul's gonna do a little bed jumping himself. He's gonna show us how the king of mattresses does it.
Will you get a boo-boo? Let me see. Let me see. Oh, you're okay. Oh, 'cause I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I can't wait to get you. Oh, come on. I'm not using my head. I'm stapling 10 things at once.
Uh-oh, you're so
Just
excited.
wait for the king of mattresses to jump over.
Yes, that's right.
It's coming. Pretty soon, folks.
Johnny,
The
good
eighth
work.
wonder of the world.
Johnny, Robin Egyptian's over here.
Oh,
Wow. Two more to do, and then the shoes come off, and I gotta get my big body up on one of these things. Already at 9/6, that's next week. On Saturday, Tuesday, it's a yellow one.
Be nice, Johnny.
Are you ready?
Come on! Chance to jump with Wally. Go.
Julie. Huh?
First, they started out.
What's the matter? Who knows? Oh.
Here he goes.
First, they crawl. And then they grew larger. And they started to jump and walk. And then they saw Julia. I don't think I can make it across, but I'm going to try. And then they got Julie. And where's Julia? There's And then they saw, where's Julia?
Why are you afraid?
Because I'm so large. And then the belly flap.
Look at Joe. He's going to get you.
Oh, here comes Joe. Oh, no, here comes Julia.
It's okay, Joel. Just having some fun.
Wow. Wow.
Go get him, Joe.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Whoa.
Yay. Oh. Oh. That was a long
Give
shot.
Wally a big hug.
Wow. Whoa.
Be nice.
Oh, my goodness.
Jump over here.
Oh. And then he collapsed.
I heard that. Easy, easy, Joe. Time for. That was
Julia.
a pretty good jump, Paulie.
Look at him now. He's just laying down. Go get him. Oh, you're silly.
Johnny, come on, you guys, take it easy on him now.
And then he woke up. And then he went back to bed. Where's Julia?
You're missing one chance to jump on beds with Polly.
Oh, she jumped. That's okay.
Oh!
Say bye, Paulie.
Bye-bye. Thanks, Polly.
Bye-bye.
What do you say to Paulie, guys? What do you say to Paulie? Oh.
Bye-bye.
What do you say?
Bye-bye. Hi, Mrs. Hand.
John!
Bye.
Don't you put your fingers in his eyes.
Say bye to Paulie, Joel. Think you can manage a nice bye and a smile? Thanks for all the bed jumping. Come on. I have you on the camera. You want to see a nice happy face? Let's show us one.
Where's
It's
Julia?
a little fake. Show us a nice real one. That's a little better. Still not real. No, it's fake. That's not real. No, that's fake. I'm not gonna. Gotta show me a real smile. No, not there. Not real. I can tell. I can tell when you're faking.
Maybe he's watching wrestling on TV.
Ooh.
Oh. Uh-oh.
Let me talk to him.
Julie was really